Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a super vibrant look. I hope you guys enjoy. I already have my foundation and eyebrows done. I'm going to be starting with the Morphe 350 palette and a blending brush from Alamar Cosmetics. I'm taking that light brown shade and I'm just applying that all over my entire crease. Next, I'm going to be taking a darker, a little bit more orange shade. I'm going to be applying that using an M411 brush from Morphe. I'm going to be applying that to the outer corner and up into the crease. And for the inner lid, I'm going to be applying this shimmery peach shade with a flat brush from Alamar Cosmetics. And then I'm just going to be going back and forth between all of the brushes just to make sure everything is blended and all of the colors are married together. And next I'm going to be adding a pop of yellow to the inner crease. This shade is called Mischief and it's from Colourpop. And I went through a couple of brushes, but I finally ended up using a pencil brush from Morphe, and it just allowed me to be really specific with where I was placing that color, and it just added a nice pop of color to the look. Next, I finished my concealer and set my face off camera, and then I moved on to my bottom lash line where I applied that same dark orange shade from the outer corner to the bottom lash line, and I applied that using a Luxie 12L mini tapered brush. After this, I contoured and I bronzed, and then I moved on to blush where I used my Alamar Cosmetics Colorete Blush Trio, and I used the shade Seclusion today. And I used the shade Peach from Ofra Cosmetics to highlight, and I also applied that to the inner corners of my eyes to add a little bit of extra dimension to my eye look. And onto lashes, I used my tried and true Maybelline Great Lash for mascara, and I applied the Boudoir Lite lashes today from House of Lashes. For the best part of this look, I applied this bright orange liquid lipstick from Dose of Colors. This is in the shade Hot Fire. I love this lipstick. I don't wear it very often, but I thought it went perfect with that yellow in the inner crease, and this shade is just really perfect for summer. And that is it for this look, you guys. I really hope you all enjoyed it. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.